gonna make a smoothie. I just bought this the other day, but it has these little packages of mixed fruit. It has spinach, mangoes, apples, pineapples. So we're gonna do that today, and we're gonna put, you can use any kind of nut butter you want. I'm gonna use a peanut butter today, but you can use any kind of nut butter. Almond butter is really good. I kind of just guesstimate a couple of tablespoons for sure at least. And then I'm doing this Vegan Smart protein powder. I'm gonna do 1 scoop of that. And this kind of almond milk, but you can use any kind of milk you want. But if you think it's too thick, then you add a little more.
I usually find a good rule of thumb is just to fill it somewhat more towards the top of all not the vegetables. Oh my god, the fruit and stuff.
All right, let's do what Sam says. Okay. All right.
I'm talking. I shouldn't be talking.
That's okay. You can talk. Okay, so here we go. I start on the low first. Cup so we can look at its marvelous creaminess. Oh, I did put 1 banana in. I forgot to say that. But along with that, you don't have to put a banana in, but I did. It just adds a little sweetness to it. So there you go. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.